Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this MP3 player by the company PECSU. But first and foremost, I'd like to say thanks to the company for sending this out for review. So let's go ahead and check it out. I'm going to show you everything that's included in the box when you receive it. We're going to go ahead and turn it on and check out its features. I have everything out of the box. So let's start off with the charging cable. A charging cable is included. This is Type-C to USB charging cable. You will receive a user manual, so this is going to go ahead and walk you through to ensure that you know how to properly set up and use your MP3 player. In this little baggie, you will get your set of headphones. There's some basic in-ear headphones. So they do have a cord, and you want to go ahead and connect these to your MP3 player. All right, so now let's check out the MP3 player. It is super lightweight, this cute white MP3 player. At first glance, just take a look. It has a little screen right here. It has the control little panel in the middle. Now on the side, it does have the power where you will go ahead and input your SD card. And it has the control for the volume on this side. Now on the back side here, it does have a speaker. So I'm going to give you a closer look on that. So on the front side here, this is where I was talking about the control panel in the middle where you have the play, pause, the forward, the reverse, the mode, the back. Now on the back side here, it is the volume. And on this side here, you do have your power and your SD card. A memory card is already included with your MP3 player. This is a 64 gig memory card. So this is already included, but this is actually compatible with up to 256 gigs of memory. So if you want more memory, more storage, you are actually able to add that. All right, so let's go ahead and turn it on. Let's take a look at that screen. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and press the power. You can see it's currently powering on. So at first you're going to see and select your language. It's pretty simple. Select the language and hit the middle bar. I'm gonna go ahead and change my camera around so we could go ahead and see an overview of the MP3 player. All right, so here's a quick top view of that MP3 player. As you can see, it has music, video, record, FM, which is the radio, has ebook capabilities. You just want to make sure that the ebook is in the correct format, which is in your manual. It holds pictures, has Bluetooth capabilities, so you are able to actually connect this via Bluetooth to any Bluetooth devices like speakers or headphones. Here are the settings, the folder. On the bottom here, as you can see, it does have that input for your headphones. So you want to just go ahead and connect your headphones like that. All right, so I connected it to the radio just to see. As you can see, you could put the volume up. They're actually quite loud. As you can see, the audio does sound pretty clear. The volume, you could control up and down, could go back. So as you can see, these are all the settings. It's actually pretty easy to the touch. Like you are able to control this pretty easily. It responds quickly. So if you've been on the lookout for a 2000 style MP3 player, then definitely check this one out. I'll go ahead and leave the link down below. Also, make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.